hands. I can't ask you to raise your hands right now. So all we can do is, yes, you're doing that high. All we can do is, can we honk thoda sa? Can we honk? I love you guys, yaar. Okay. As I said, सर की पिक्चर का गाना है लड़की आंख मारे, तो वो थोड़ा सा हम हेडलाइट से आंख मार सकते हैं क्या? और मे बी द इंडिकेटर्स, कैन वी सी दैट? As I said, we are not very fond of giving indicators anyway. There's this gentleman, thank you so much for doing that. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, it's the Shubharamb of Geo Drive and a PVR experience here. And we are out and how. सबसे पहले would like to invite on stage Mr. Ajay Bijli, Chairman and Managing Director, PVR Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, make some noise. Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Bijli, Joint Managing Director, PVR Limited. Come on, halla, rukna nahi chahiye. We all are filthy, yaar. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Darshan Mehta, CEO, Geo World Drive. Congratulations, sir. Welcome. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the director, the filmmaker, जिनके लिए यही कह सकते हैं, his middle name is Blockbuster, as I always say, Rohit Blockbuster Shetty. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, make some noise. Welcome, sir. Welcome. जैसा मैंने कहा, शुभारंभ का वक्त है, तो we'll light the lamp, sir. We'll do the honors and then we'll take the proceedings आगे. Yes. Come on, make some noise, yaar. थोड़ा हल्ला मचा लो. We are out in the open, and literally out in the open after like ages. We'll have a quick photo op, yes. A fun fact, ladies and gentlemen, this is India's first rooftop drive-in theatre, but there was a drive-in theatre exactly here in the year 1977, and the Gen Zs are like, bro, what is 1977? वो कब था? तो कुछ टाइम पहले था. Ajay sir, this one's for you. The first question. First of all, would you like to say something to all the wonderful people here?
Absolutely brilliant to. I was going to say see an auditorium packed, but this is not an auditorium packed. This is a incredible destination which has been created by Geo, and we are absolutely proud to be part of this, and it's the first of its kind, not just in India, in the world. And so thank you all for coming here and making this a very, very special occasion. I also want to thank Rohit, because Rohit has been just incredible. His movie has been ready for the last, I think, 24 months. And no matter what experience we make, whether on the rooftop, whether in the auditoriums, the experience is not complete till the movie is on the screen, because there's a symbiotic relationship between experience that we create and the movies that come on the screen. And my hats off to Rohit, and my thanks to you from the bottom of my heart, because this movie is going to revive the industry and revive our business. So thanks, Rohit, a lot. And thanks, Darshan, for giving us this opportunity, for being part of this absolutely landmark project. Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sanjeev sir, this one's for you. We generally talk about feathers in caps. But here, there is no cap, only feathers, sir, when it comes to PVR. What do you have to say on that? Last week also, we launched something magnanimous. And again, here we are, Geo Drive in a PVR experience. What do you have to say?
Oh, wow. I think, once again, as Ajay said, this is all Geo and Darshan's vision. And thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to be a part of it. And at PVR, I think we're always very excited to push the boundaries and create something new and innovate. And we've been doing that with cinemas which are housed inside the malls. But this is the first time we've done something which is outside the mall on the terrace, and it's absolutely brilliant. I hadn't seen this yet because this was something which Ajay and Darshan had been plotting and making for the last couple of years, and this is my first visit, and I'm also, if I can say so myself, blown away. It's absolutely brilliant. And thank you, Rohit, for waiting and for the cinemas to open up, and we're all very confident that from now onwards, it's going to be a blockbuster year. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Darshan, sir, this one's for you. It's a very serious question. And I want a very serious answer, sir. Sir, looking at the excitement and the josh over here, how are we going to control the crowds when they'll get down, listening to these songs, watching the songs. They're gonna, you know, step out of their cars and would want to dance. Sir, क्या इंतजाम किया है हमने sir?
सिर्फ उसी का इंतजाम किया है. The movie is incidental, you know. But since you asked for a serious answer to a serious question, when the conception happened, our chairman Nisha Ambani had a one-line vision: let's give Mumbai City a new postcard. And truly, between the Geo World Drive, the rooftop that we opened, there's an awesome club that's coming up in a few months called the Bay Club. We have the Geo Gardens, and then finally the convention center, performing arts theatre, the dancing fountains, all of which will open in every 2-month sequence. I think over the next year, truly, this city will have a new social, cultural, entertainment, commerce, F&B hub. So, and of course, with Ajay, it's been a great story. I have quoted this statement very often. Sometimes we all go through stress in COVID, of course. So one day, in one of those stressful moments, he said, "Darshan, yaar, entertainment ke dhande mein, if you won't have fun, so where will we have fun?" And that line stuck to me. I've used that multiple times over, Ajay, but thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, sir, for this amazing experience. I'm sure it's gonna just be amazing. Rohit, sir, welcome. And this one's for you. Please tell us, every time we have an event, you know, that is film ke release se thoda pehle, to build up that curiosity, everything. But with this movie, Suryavanshi, you know, the curiosity, it just went a notch higher with each passing day. Har din hota raha, hota raha, hota raha. What do you have to say to all the fans, sir?
First of all, I would like to say thank you to them that they had waited for 19 months patiently, and look at today. Look today, the business of the film it's doing. Like, I'm happy that what the kind of vision I had for Suryavanshi, we have achieved that.
Yes.
Especially reviving all the theaters, single screens, and I'm really thankful to them. And these guys, the audience out here, will be seeing the film for the first time, and I feel very proud. Like in the history of drive-in, in the history of Geo and PVR drive-in, whenever they talk about Suryavanshi was the first film which was played here. So thank you so much. And secondly, I would like to really appreciate the kind of brave moment Geo and PVR Ajay has taken, that there are so many cars and they have invited me. So yeah. So you will be having an experience when you see this film, but while going home, there are a lot of cars, there are a lot of action and a lot of chases in the film. So be careful while going. Josh mein nahi jana, hosh mein jana, please. Warna mere pe bill phatega. And talking about drive-in, when I was coming here, it was quite nostalgic and emotional for me because, as you said, 77 mein drive-in bana tha. Don't ask my age, but I had seen a film in drive-in. I remember the film, it was Lavaris. I had seen in drive-in, and today while coming back to drive-in with my film releasing here, it was quite nostalgic and emotional for me. So thank you everyone for coming here, and thank you PVR, thank you Geo for this experience, to audience and to all of us, and yeah, thanks a lot.
It's a very tough question for you, sir. Sir, Janta ne verdict de diya hai, but if you had to review Suryavanshi in one word, sir, what would you say? Such a review, sir.
In one word.
Yes. Acha chaliye sir, one sentence de dete sir.
A battle worth fighting.
Whoa! And you won it, and how you killed it, and how, sir, super duper hit blockbuster. अभी मेरे को किसी ने prompt किया, बोलो ऐसे ऐसे हो गया. मैंने कहा यार numbers बता रहे हैं already. The numbers are, you know, doing the talking. And this team has always proved कि भैया बातों से नहीं, हम अपने काम से prove करते. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time for a धमाकेदार performance जो हमारी ये amazing team enjoy करने वाली है. Sir, would request you to जी अच्छा जी जरूर
दिया रिमूव करके